Hello, this is an educational video about our new feature, the Emergency Alert. In this video, I will cover how to set up emergency alerts in your network and how alerts work in the mobile app. To set up emergency alerts in your Zello work network, open your management console and log in with the admin user. You'll need to create a new emergency channel or utilize an existing channel. Then, navigate to the Net Settings tab and select Common from the menu on the right-hand side. At the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to select which channel will be the designated emergency alert channel. Make sure to hit Save and Apply. To initiate an emergency alert, the end user will navigate to a channel talk screen, then press and hold the emergency button. The emergency button provides 5 seconds to cancel in case it was accidentally triggered. Emergency mode initiates a 10-second live voice message, sends the user's current location, and sends a text alert stating emergency. To end emergency mode, the user simply press exit and return to the channel screen. Users receiving the emergency alert will automatically be transferred to the emergency channel and the voice message will play loud. Similar to busy status, messages received during an emergency alert will be queued in the order received until the emergency mode ends. The local history screen identifies the user who triggered the emergency mode, the 10-second voice message, and the user's current location. Only the user who initiated the alert has the ability to end emergency mode. If you have a dedicated response team or would like to control who can hear and access alerts, we can help set that up too.